Hello and welcome once again to UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to talk to you about the Sash Jammer product, which is designed to increase the security level on windows and doors, and we'll show you how you go about installing the Sash Jammer and, if required, the packers to go behind it. Thank you. The Sash Jammer is designed as an extra add-on security item, usually used more so in ground floor positions where windows are more vulnerable. Functionality of the Sash Jammer is to trap the window so it won't open if someone is barring at it from outside. So a solid product with an arm which latches over and latches onto the actual frame. And what we do is we measure down, usually in the region of 150 millimeters from the edge of the rebate, marking it for the centre, and then we offer up the Sash Jammer, keeping it away from here by approximately 4 or 5 millimeters. In order to secure the Sash Jammer, we use a self-drill screw. It has a very small drill bit on the end of the tip, but there are one or two tricks with this and sometimes it can go wrong. So this is what we do. Once we've marked the hole for where the position of the screw is going to go through, we can take off the part. Using a driver, electrical or similar, offer up the screw to the point where you've marked. If you are able to send the screw straight in and it doesn't hit any metal, it usually means that it won't be just as secure as what it could be. So therefore, another device is available to enable you to anchor this Sash Jammer to the window. However, if you were able to hit metal as you drove the screw in, what one does is you allow the screw to go through the 2 layers of plastic that are in the window, and immediately that the tip of this screw touches the metal, you put the screwdriver in reverse and keep the pressure on to clean out the hole where the thread has been created. That then will allow this to be able to drill once more through into the steel and tighten down the Sash Jammer onto the window. So let's assume that we've done that and we've created the screw hole and that it's threaded. So I'll fix the Sash Jammer to the window now. Straighten it up slightly so that it's nicely in position, and then with the second screw, offer that. Sometimes the depth of the rebate here is greater than the depth of the rebates or the off stand of the Sash Jammer. In that instance, we've to install a packer, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So once you've discovered that packers are required, these packers are designed to go on the back of the Sash Jammer. Fit neatly on the back, and depending on how much you've to pack it off, you may need to put 1, 2 or even 3 on to be able to pack it off sufficiently. So they just slip down the back, so we'll refix this now. The other item that is required is that behind here there is a hole, and into that hole we fit a small packer which allows the arm to swing over the PVC without causing it to scratch, and that's the next job. Here are the packers. They vary in depth, so in the box there will come 3 sizes of packer. So choosing the size, you need to swing the arm over, have a look down the back, decide which of the three you require, and simply take it, turn it, push it into the hole, finished. Now you've got a secure sash jammer. They are available as a locking sash jammer as well, and we'll show you how the key operated lock works next. This is the locking device for the sash jammer. Usually only used when you go on holiday, and usually only used on one of the jammers, just as that extra bit of security. Simple to use. It's a key that fits into the key opening. Simply turn it, offer it into the top here, turn the key, and it's fitted. That prevents this arm going back up to release it. So anyone attempting to get anything out of this window will be prevented. During the time that you don't use this, with the pack come two other small covers. I'll fit those next. Cover number one is the one that stays on all the time. Once the screws are in position and are secure, you simply push it in and leave it. The second cover is the one that goes over this hole. Pop it in and leave it. And the only time you need to remove this, which is simple to remove, finger behind, is when you want to lock it. For those of you that have got brown windows, these are available in a dark brown finish as well. These products are as secure as the amount of material that's actually put into them. So the stronger you want it to be, usually the heavier it is. So this is a good quality sash jammer with plenty of stability and strength, a solid section, well anchored and good for its job. Watch out for the cheaper alternatives. It just isn't worth the saving.